This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the bonnet release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the bonnet safety latch and raise the bonnet upwards. Undo the 6 pollen filter housing retaining bolts. Lift the filter housing out from the engine compartment and release the 3 filter element retaining clips. Withdraw the filter element from the housing. Fit the new filter element into the housing while aligning the locating tabs. Secure the 3 filter element retaining clips. Refit the filter housing above the cowl panel in the mounting and tighten the 6 bolts securely.